Okay guys, David here with DC Appliance Repair, bringing you another how-to diagnostic video. And today I'm going to be showing you the reason why you may be feeling a lot of excessive heat on the inside of the walls of the refrigerator and also on the outside of the walls of the refrigerator. For example, these hot. Inside of the wall here can be very hot. And so guys, what your problem is going to be is your condenser fan motor has obviously stopped working on the back of your refrigerator. And I'm going to show you where that fan is located. But what this fan does is it moves the air off the condenser. And when it quits working, that's what causes the walls to develop the heat on the inside, because that's where the lines run, back and forth in the inside of the refrigerator. And so I'm going to take you on the back where this fan motor is located at and how you can change it. Alright guys, the lighting's not very good back here because I'm behind the refrigerator. But here's the back of the refrigerator. You're going to have a couple 1/4" screws that you're going to remove. Let's move on. Alright guys, let's see if I can get this light on. There we go. Now that you've got the back panel off for the 1/4" screws, now right here, obviously you can see a little dust here, but this is your condenser. And take note, different refrigerators look different on this specific one. This is a Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. They're all gonna just about look the same, but they're different at the same time. And so, a little note that while you're back here, if your condenser is dirty, you need to clean them, and you just don't need to use any old brush. I'll put a link in the description for a brush that you can order, and it's good to clean these every 6 months. But let's move on. Okay, so right here is your condenser fan and the condenser fan motor. Now, when you order these, sometimes they'll come with a new blade, sometimes they won't. So what you have to do is there's 1/4" screws that's located right there. You can see the 1/4" screws right here on this plastic. And what you have to do is remove those and slowly pull the fan blade off that shaft, okay? And that's gonna be leave sitting in there. There's no need to pull it out. All you need to do is pull out the 3 1/4" screws right here, unplug it. And of course, before you do anything, make sure you unplug the refrigerator always. We don't need anybody getting hurt. And once you pull that out, get your new one in, put your fan blade on, tighten it up, and you should be good to go. Well, guys, this is David with DC Appliance Repair. I appreciate all the subscribers and all the support that I get. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and looking forward to seeing you in future videos. Thanks, and have a great day.